Hello, do you want to enjoy your own homemade nuggets at home? Alright then, let's go for it.
A foolproof recipe that turns out amazing and that
Will make everyone at your house lick
their fingers. I'm starting with this beauty. To begin, chicken breast. Let's take a really sharp knife and cut it into cubes. Cut into small cubes, but don't worry. They'll be blended, so just do your best without overthinking it. Once you have it, take it to your food processor, or if not, chop it up more and use a blender. The typical food processor where you can chop anything from cookies to nuts, or even ice in some cases. Add 1 large egg, size L, and also add a little bit of garlic powder. You'll see the amazing flavor it gives. Add salt to taste as always. If you like it saltier, add more. If you prefer it less salty, add less. And please also add a bit of freshly ground black pepper, because this really enhances the flavor a lot. We're also going to add a good splash of milk, or any other plant-based milk that's similar, and also a couple of tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 heaping and 1 a little less. Once you have it, cover it and blend it until it turns into a kind of uniform paste. It should be pasty, like a pâté. Look, this is perfect. Once you have it, you can either brown it directly or, even better, bread it the usual way. Beaten egg, flour, and breadcrumbs. This is just like any croquette. You simply take a small amount and coat it in flour. Thanks to the moisture it picks up, the flour will cling right to the little ball. And then with your hand, in no time you give it whatever shape you prefer. That way it won't stick to your hand. You can give it that typical elongated nugget shape. Then we dip it in the egg and it'll pick up moisture again. Let's go. Let's get to it. And finally, we coat it in breadcrumbs so you get that characteristic crunchy layer on the outside. My advice is not to use the same fork between one bowl and the other. That way, nothing sticks together. A simple but necessary trick. Look, I've already got this one. Hot oil over medium or medium-high heat at most, but make sure it's really hot so that when you drop something in, it starts bubbling. If you want to know if your oil is ready, you can place something wooden in the center, like a spatula, for example. And if you see bubbles coming out, it's ready. If not, wait a bit for it to heat up. Once they're golden on one side, well, let's center the camera so you can see it clearly and flip them over. There's no big secret to it. There it is. Make sure it doesn't slip. The point is to flip them so they cook evenly on both sides. No mystery at all. Go slowly at first until you get the hang of the temperature. And depending on how golden you want them, once they're the way you like, you know what to do. You take them out and place them on a plate with plenty of paper towels. That always soaks up the excess oil, making them lighter and, above all, less greasy and crispier. Look at the amazing dish we prepared in no time. Look.
Look how good it looks. How easy it is to prepare. It's so wonderful. It's the only thing. Look at the little dish we've made in no time. Delicious, easy, perfect for dipping, and perfect for devouring. Awesome, homemade, easy. They've got it all. Dare to make them and tell me, what are you going to serve them with? With some kind of sauce? Share in the comments so we can explore delicious recipes together.